Yeah, it looks like we're about to do some walking. All right, I'm gonna see what we can do with the trolling motor, at least get us a little further. Up there, we'll see, we'll see. There we go. Stick over here to the left so we don't have to mess with that riffle. We'll just take turns dragging the boat. Good? All right. Let's get some fish. I need to get on the board. There's one. Feisty. Smallmouth? It's gotta be. Good job. Oh, that wasn't good for anybody. I'm on a brown 3.5 inch grub, looking for just that kind of fish. Looks like there's probably some fish over there to our left. Oh, off the snag, got a little tiny one. Good job, bud. You did a good job. Oh, I caught him with my feet. Oh, I didn't love that. He landed like parallel to the bottom of my feet and just landed right in him face first. Then he just wiggled. It's a weird, kind of unpleasant feeling. Thank you, sir. Yeah, got one? Nice. On the spinnerbait, first cast, smallmouth? Yeah. I like that. Watch my rod now. Nice, that's a good looking fish. I thought that little spinnerbait might get a hold of something. Yeah. Good job. That's a really fine looking spot over there. Nice. Oh, how about got hit in the face? Had one little one come up. Did you see that? Flew out of the water. They didn't seem interested at all in mine. I put it right in front of their faces a couple times. Big smallie, big smallie. Nice. You're stuck, buddy. Yes.
Oh, that's a big.
Oh, lost it at my feet. Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
Saw guy.
I think that's what I keep seeing following my lure.
Cool.
It's like a lighter color like that. Yeah.
They're really pretty.
You can eat those too, right?
Yeah, they're delicious. This one's a little small. Yeah.
Yeah, we're not doing good in still water today.
Well, when it's hot like this, I got water right in my mouth. When it's hot like this, they don't want to, they need that like extra oxygen, and the bait fish are in the current. And I've been letting it go down pretty deep too in the current. Well, should we go up to where we can't go up any longer and head back?
Well, I'd like to be home in a decent hour.
Oh, there's a smallmouth right in front of me. Boom. Nice. Check him out. Oh, he threw me because I was messing with the camera. Thanks for watching.